Hi everyone! So today I am going to be doing an arrangement with these flowers here that can also be done sort of as a kids kit, something to do for a science project or an art project, where you could track the lifespan of how long the flowers last, or if you just want like a nice art project to do something creative with your kids or even yourself. So what I have done is I have soaked my Oasis in some water already, and then I have a nice container here to put the foam in, and there's already a little bit of water in here just to keep the foam moist. But what I do is I soak this with the holes facing down. It's been soaking for a bit already, so I'm just gonna put it in my container. And normally I would tape this down, but since I'm home I don't have any of the tape. And then the beauty about these flowers is some of them, like these berries here, they can be broken down into smaller pieces, so you get a little bit more out of the flowers than just a single head like of this rose. But what I'm going to do is start with the greens, and you can take some scissors or a knife if you're old enough, and then you can start with the greens. Just place them around until you get them in the spot you want them to be, and you can just, you know, be as creative as you want. Break these up into as many pieces as you want, and sometimes they'll fall out. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope you found it very helpful on how to arrange your own flowers at home. We are having this kit for curbside pickup. It is $10, so please give us a call at the shop so we can arrange something for you that you can do at home with your family.